Why not change your look with this beautiful gele, or should I call it turban gele style? All you need, pick up that your gele that you have at home that you don't use. Pick it up, arrange it in a square shape. Then after arranging it, pick it the way I'm picking the tip, like this. All you need now, arrange it very well. You need a rubber band for it. So you get a rubber band, you tie it on that part that you have folded. Look at the way I'm doing it. Tie it very well. Tie it, bring it down, open up all the folded parts, then put it in your hair. Yes, just the way I'm doing it. This gele is a very simple style for beginners, and it looks so amazing, so beautiful. So all you need again is another rubber band that you can use to hold it down. As you can see, I tried it without rubber and it didn't hold well, so I have to get another rubber band for it. Then I arrange the front, tie it on the back with another rubber band, exactly the way I'm doing it on the screen. It will enable to hold down the gele very well while you fix it inside the gele. Then now you are almost done. Come back to your ruffle and arrange it to your desire. Arrange it, open it up very well. Open it up for it to give you this amazing shape. As you can see, open it up very well. As you can see, I am almost done. So you can do this just 10 minutes or even 15 minutes. You are done. It's so easy and it looks so amazing. Just take a look at the outcome of this gele, of the turban. Look at it. It looks so nice. Check it out. Check it out. You can turn it to any place you want, either at the right or the left. Look at the way I just did it, and it gives another shape, another style. I push it at the right. Yeah, so you can rock it like this, or you can decide to take it to the other side. Any way you want. You can put it in the center, you can put it in the middle.